Hey guys, this is Mike, and today I received a package, as you can see, from our friends at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. I have to say I really love shopping with them. Not only is their customer service incredible, if I ever needed any, but they ship really quickly. And since I'm in California and they are in Utah, I usually get it really fast, and they always ship priority mail. So I thought I would bring you along and see what type of goodies that I got today. So I haven't opened it yet. I just popped it open to save some time and some frustration, which I'm glad I did because the box was sealed well. So let's see what we got. All right. Let's see here. So I think I opened it upside down. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, so the first thing that I have is my swatch book. So this is the American Crafts Cardstock swatch book so that you can get an idea of what all of these fabulous colors that we use are. So there is that. I think these are just packing. Yep. Yep. And let's see. So let's open the goodies here. See what we got. All right, so I got a little card here. Crafting empties my wallet but fills my soul. That's cute. I got a free gift. These are cool stickers. I like these. There's 52 of them. These are the alphabet. They kind of have like a glitter effect to them. That is super cool. Thank you guys. All right. So I ordered some white precision, black precision, robin's egg. I ordered the cardstock swatch book. I ordered leaf, cherry, blush, mint, and magic, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. And I believe that is all that I ordered. So I am working on a special project that will be using some of these, and I will give you guys a heads up as it gets closer. But one of the things I really love about 12 by 12 is that I can order by the sheet. So when I order, I usually order 4 or 5 just so I always have just in a case, and then I have some just, for another project. So that must be, I'm not really going to go through. I'm just going to kind of skim through and show you guys what I got. So I got a bunch of greens. Yes, we're probably going to be doing flowers with the greens. I got some reds and pinks and some lighter greens. And this is the one that I was super happy about. I'm looking on camera here because I have a monitor, and these blues don't really show off as well on the monitor, but this is so pretty. This is from American Crafts, and it's called Magic, and you can get it on the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop website. And we will have links to their website, but look at how pretty that is. And it's double-sided. Nice, really good quality weight too. I'm really excited to make my project with this. And then of course I got my standard a 25 pack of white and a 25 pack of black, because we always need these two colors in our stash. So people always ask, what are the colors do you normally have in your stash? Well, black and white. And then usually I will have a couple forms of green in case I'm doing some leaves. And so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see on camera there, these are a little bit different. I don't think you can. They're slightly different. So one is actually the mint, and one is the leaf green. I believe this is the robin's egg. So I got 6 of the leaf and 5 of the mint green. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is. Maybe my eyes are just deceiving me. Yeah, it is the same one. I just had it flipped over. There it is. There's the mint. Okay, I'm not going crazy. So there you go. So the two different kind of greens. You know, leaves in nature are different colors, and if you ink this, it's going to take on some different tones as well. So, all right, my friends. So I hope you liked this. I know this was short and brief, but I was excited to show you my goodies that I bought. And make sure you check out 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. Awesome sources of paper. I mean, look at how gorgeous this one is. I'm really excited to use it. And double-sided is even better. If you don't already own an American Crafts textured cardstock swatch book, I definitely would recommend you getting one. Monitor colors and or mobile devices and even printing things out may be different than the actual cardstock, so it's always best to have a sample of that on hand. And as you can see, there are many wonderful colors available in this swatch book. So all right, guys, hope you guys like this. Drop me some comments in the description box if you can somewhere, and let us know if you liked the video and if you want more content like this. Until next time, bye guys.